Oh, and today I'm going to be talking about my typewriter. Pretty sure it's an Olympiad Deluxe SM random numbers. Either way, I'm not too sure on the names of it. I'm going to tell you what I like about it, what I don't. Approximate age. That's about it. So, text, I've had this for a day or so. The thing for about a day or so. I find it's pretty easy to put the paper in. It's got a nice little, can't see it that well, but there's a little movable tab. I put it to my margins. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. Basically, just I don't know. Makes the writing look nicer either way. So this is just a problem with all typewriters I find. I just don't like putting paper in. It's kind of annoying. But I do like all the custom. I don't know. Okay. Either way. Oh shoot! I forgot to put this. It also has this tab here. This little tiny thing you can move up and down to turn it into a lock stage where if you saw it that I'm not able to type on it, locks the keys in place, and I can push it down to put it into a typing phase or stage. I don't know. And there's also this little tab here. Not sure if you can see it. You can move it up. There are 3 settings. There is black, white, and red. So this is a bilingual keyboard color. Typewriter color-wise. It's not French. Okay. Okay. I suck at this, so I'm gonna move that, but I think this is no. I think if it's on 00, you just put the margin, the tab I was talking about to control where you put it, or where you put the paper, and yeah, you just put it there, and then you can start near the beginning of the page. It also has a little lever here, which lets you take the paper out. I'm not gonna, so I might have to do that. Okay, so see this with it off, I can't push it in really. If I put it on, it moves something, and now I can push it through if I really want to. I'm pretty sure it's for taking it out, so I'm gonna turn that off. Paper in, make sure it's in moderately well. Spin that. Nope, that is wonk and a half. Ooh. And I think I might have to. And then also the quick release is really here in a nice accessible location. I'm just gonna put that to there. A little easier to put the paper in, I guess. Move this over a bit. I don't know. And there's good, yeah. It looks good to me. Now, just let go of it. Fill it in. Okay, yeah, that's straight now. And this automatically gives you a kind of like an enter key on a keyboard on a computer. So let's see. Text is Nice, so let's go with... I do find a problem, actually, with it, is when I use capitals, sometimes it doesn't fully work, so you have to go back over it again. But honestly, it's kind of, I don't know, it adds to the feel of it. So, anyway, most of the H's kind of suck. That was the wrong thing. I'm gonna just enter there. There we go. It's also got a caps lock thing, and it stays in there. You can just push it back. It's really nice. Okay, there's a T. Sometimes it adds a little shadow, I don't know. The that E's a little funky. I'm gonna go back on that one. Lazy dog. I found it annoying since sometimes the taller letters don't get put in fully. But a couple of those. Okay. So here it is. Hopefully this flips the video, because otherwise this is backwards, but either way, this is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You can see where I hit harder, but overall it's a nice text. And there's some shadowing, but that also may just be the ribbon. Not too sure. Anyways, then I'll do that in red. Should probably put this in correctly. If, you know, it's a little nice to paper in right. Okay. Okay. So now, let's go with white. I'll just show you that. Okay. These can just work. The laptop wasn't a fun to deal with camera. So you have to stop it. Okay, just go with that. Jumped over easy. I'll show you these after I've written them. And let's do that in red. Okay, so as you can see, I'm pretty sure it's the ribbon that's the problem with the black. The B's and D's are kind of annoying, because here it's completely fine, the tall ones. I did this all in one shot. So Yeah, it's my typewriter. Now I'll leave you with these satisfying noises. ASMR, or whatever people call this now. All the noises at once. Spacebar is nice too. Alright, so yeah, oh wait, actually there's one more thing you might want to see. This. Then you can also adjust the margin sizes, but that's pretty average. Anyways, bye.